So today I'll make this classic Snake game responsive and make it look from this to this on mobile view. In the last video, I recreated the original Snake game only using ChatGPT 4.0 with all its features and design. Now I'll make it playable on mobile phone. So this is part 2 of creating the classic Nokia Snake game. If you haven't watched the first video, you might want to check that out. I'll leave the link in the description below. So first, let's fix the messy folder structure. I'll create a new folder called Assets. Select all these files except the HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. See, that's much better. Open the browser and Visual Studio. See, the changes are automatically reflected. So I'll go live again. Okay, so now everything is broken because the new folder structure changed the file destination. So I'll open ChatGPT to solve that first and foremost. Go back to the previous chat. So I'm gonna tell it I just move all the assets files like the images and audio files to a new folder and I name that folder assets. Can you update the code now as per that? Now it will again give me all the updated code. Copy and paste all the code to its respective file again. Save all. Let's see now. Great, work again. Now let me show you how it currently looks on mobile. Right click, select inspect and then click the icon. This is how it looks currently and it's not playable at all. Please make it responsive as well so that users on mobile also can play it. Copy and paste the code again and save all. Now it's giving me this button which doesn't look good in terms of design, but that's a start. Let me check if it works or not on mobile view. So right click again and toggle the toolbar device. So that works. Let's test the button. Yup, that works too. Now let me find the same old Nokia mobile to tell it to make the button similar to that old Nokia cell phone. Images. Let me try old Nokia cell phone, black and white. So yeah, it's this one. Let me take a screenshot to attach it in the ChatGPT directly. Now I'm pasting it here and say something like make the button design position like this also. Don't display the button when viewed from a desktop. Currently, like the button shows on desktop mode also, which is not required since the button only required on mobile view. Copy paste again, save all. That's the start again. The button direction works well. See, the button doesn't display in the desktop mode, which is exactly what was told. So let's make the button design a little better. Can you make the button design more modern looks? Copy paste. Yeah, that looks much better. Now the issue is that in mobile view, when the Bigfoot progress bar appears, the game positions shift, which doesn't look convenient at all. Please make the game position fix like right now on mobile mode. When the Bigfoot appears and the progress bar appears, for that the game position switches or moves, which doesn't look good. Copy paste. Yeah, that works. Let's try that on mobile view. That works too. However, the same issue with when the start button appears. Okay, that works. Now the same issue with the start and restart button. When the start button is clicked and the restart button appears, the position of the game moves as well. Please make it the same and always reserve the position for the restart button as well. So yeah, that works for both the desktop and mobile view. Now, when the game is viewed on mobile device, the snake size remains the same as it is on desktop, but the playing area is much smaller. This affects the gameplay experience and the scoring. So I'm working on adjusting both the game area and the snake to be the same size in terms of pixels on both desktop and mobile devices. This way, the gameplay and scoring will be consistent regardless of which device you are using. So this is like a cross-platform gameplay with the same results, same length, same features, same scores and everything. Please make the size of the playing area in the mobile view the same as the desktop view so that users will have the same output in terms of scores and snake length. Maybe just make it zoom in or something Hope you know what I meant. Copy paste, save all. That doesn't work at all. We are back to square one now. So let me try that again. But the game should fit inside the mobile screen. Maybe just zoom it in to fit all of it inside the mobile screen with the same number of pixels both on mobile as well as on desktop. Copy paste, save all. Let's see now. It doesn't work. It doesn't get what I meant at all. Let me attach the screenshot so that it can understand what I meant. So I'll take a screenshot and paste it here. And I'll ask, still doesn't work. It looked like this now. Finally, after again back and forth here, got it to work. But not quite there, but we are almost there. Now the pixel value and snake size will be the same in both the mobile and desktop view. Now I'm gonna ask it to make the playing area border to move closer to the edge of the right and left side border, and also to align the score line together with the playing area border. Can you make it fit? Let me show it a screenshot so that it understands what I meant. I'm gonna draw some line to the edge so that it understood that this is the edge I meant. A bit more to the edge. Also, the score line should be the same level as the border. So that works as well. Now the score line doesn't match as requested. Please make the score line left and right margin as the playing area border. Oh, typo all over. So that's all good now. Now let me make this button a little better looking. I guess this will take some time, so I will fast forward this so that you won't be bored, because I know design part is not an easy task for ChatGPT, because it's always complicated things when it comes to design. So yeah, after a few tweaking here and there, I finally got the button design to look like this, which I think is looking good now. So I think that is all done now. It's time to update the code to the GitHub. Let's see how that works live on mobile. So let me go back to my GitHub repository, github.com. This is the project again previously. So now I'll show you how you can push the code directly without going to the GitHub page, and you don't have to manually update the code at all. For this video's sake, I'll ask ChatGPT the steps so that you can have some idea, if you are new, how ChatGPT can help you with literally anything. So I'm gonna open a new chat here and I'll ask it, how do I update my code to GitHub? Then it will give all these step-by-step instructions to do so. So follow the instruction to download Git from here. Git is a tool that tracks changes to files, letting you easily revert to previous versions and collaborate with others without losing any changes. Whereas GitHub is a website where you can store those files online. So Git manages your project history, while GitHub provides a platform to share and work on project with others. So you can download it from here. The file will be downloaded. I already have it installed, so I can move directly to the next step. See these steps by steps here if you haven't uploaded any project to GitHub. I already have, so I can move directly to the update the code part, because I only need to update the existing project to replace the old code with this new code. So go to the file location to copy the correct address, open the command prompt, follow the instructions and paste the address here to get the correct file location. Then copy and paste all these. You see these old files here currently in my repo. Then add a new file. Then commit the changes and give notes to describe the changes here. So I'll say new mobile view design. Then push it to the main. Let's see if the changes took place in GitHub as well or not. Yes, that's perfect. Now the updated game is live, so you can play it on your mobile now. The link is again in the description below. So let's try it live from here. So go to this deployment pages to get to the link that I've shared. This one right here. It's not working though. Oh wait, let me try hard refresh. Right click, inspect, right click on the reload option, then empty cache and hard reload. That seems to work, as the position doesn't move anymore when I click on this start button. Let me try on mobile view. Yes, that's perfect. Let me play some more here. So now I will show you how it looks on my mobile device as well. So that's the video for you today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and maybe subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next one.